Hi, my name is Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. In this video, I'll be discussing types of arbitration. First type is the ad hoc arbitration, which is where the parties mutually agree to resolve their disputes by arbitration proceedings conducted by mutually appointed arbitrators but not by an institution. This is one of the most common forms of arbitration in India, where the parties themselves agree to and arrange for arbitration. Here, in this method of arbitration, both the parties and the arbitrators mutually and independently decide the procedures of arbitration without the involvement of an arbitral institution. The second type would be institutional arbitration, which is a form where an institute, which has been set up for the purpose of settling disputes by arbitration or other ADR methods, is employed to conduct arbitration. Such institutes may be national or international in character, and they usually lay down their rules of arbitration. But such rules cannot override the provisions of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. These institutes maintain a panel of arbitrators from which arbitrators are recommended to the parties. Besides that, these institutes also offer administrative and consultancy services. The third type would be domestic arbitration, wherein the arbitration takes place in one jurisdiction and both the parties come under that jurisdiction. Then such an arbitration is called domestic. International arbitration is a type of arbitration wherein at least one of the parties at dispute is a foreign national, or in the case of a body corporate, has been incorporated in the foreign country. In other words, at least one of the parties must be a foreign national or habitually resident in a foreign country. The last type of arbitration would be emergency arbitration, in which interim relief is given by the arbitral tribunal to a party who wants to protect their assets and or evidence from being otherwise lost or altered. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.